So hello student, let's find square root of any number using Newton-Raphson's method. Okay, let's do it. So what is the Newton-Raphson's method? Let's first have a look at the formula. Newton-Raphson's method of finding a square root of any number is xn plus 1 is equal to xn plus n upon xn by 2. हम करते क्या है तो हम इसमें इटरेशंस देखते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मुझे निकालना है 10 का स्क्वायर रूट, my first step is finding x0, which is a approximate square root of 10. So let's say कि 10 का स्क्वायर रूट मैं approximately ले रहा हूँ 3. मुझे पता है कि ये 4 से बड़ा है 10, तो 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2 होता है, तो 10 का स्क्वायर रूट 3 या 3 के आसपास होगा. तो लेट्स टेक x0 as 3. इट्स अ गेस, नॉट एन एग्जैक्ट स्क्वायर रूट. अभी मैंने n को 0 लिया है, तो मेरा नेक्स्ट टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? x of n plus 1 is x of 1. So x1 is x0 plus n upon x0 upon 2. x0 is 3. 10 is 10, n is 10 upon 3 by 2, which gives me 3 upon 3, 9 plus 10 by 3 by 2, which is 19 by 6. So it will be 6 divided by 19. I get 6 3 is 18, remainder 1.0, 6 1 is 6, remainder 4.0, 6 6 is 36, remainder 4.066 is 36. It carries on. It will be 3.1666 or 3.16 cap. So the first iteration gives me the square root as 3.166666. Now let us look how close this answer is to the actual answer. So 3.16 bar is square will be equal to, let me just calculate using calculator. Is 10.0277 and so on. So it's a close enough answer. So if you do more iterations, you'll get better answer. For example, second iteration, my n will be 1. So x of 2 is equal to x of 1 plus n is 10 upon x of 1 by 2. So it will be 3.1666 dot 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 plus 10 upon 3.166 dot 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 upon 2. For the sake of calculation, we can write it as 3.167 plus 10 upon 3.167 upon 2. So it will be equal to 3.167 plus 3.15789 and so on upon 2. This gives us approximately 3.16228. So my second iteration gives me x2 as 3.16228 and so on. So if I square 3.16228, I must get a value much closer to 10. So 3.16228 gives me 10.0000147. So 3.16228 is a close and a very good close approximation for root 10. So this is your Newton-Raphson's method. xn plus 1 is equal to xn plus n upon xn by 2. If you want to understand any more other concept and other numerical, comment here. Thank you.